Baking soda is a critical ingredient in a lot of baked goods as it acts as a raising agent. Without it, most cakes and cookies would be just flat bricks. Since you don't need baking soda for all your cooking, you can use it for various other things. Baking soda is a pretty useful natural cleanser, for example. But what we are going to discuss are 7 amazing benefits and uses of baking soda for your hair, skin, and body. Since the cost of baking soda is quite low, it is probably the most affordable and versatile health and beauty product available. So, let's find out the amazing health benefits of baking soda. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. We upload amazing videos every single day. Here are the 7 amazing benefits and uses of baking soda. 1. Treat heartburn. Heartburn or acid reflux occurs when acid in the stomach creeps and enters the throat. It is a relatively harmless condition that makes you feel uncomfortable. Usually, people experience heartburn after overindulging in rich or spicy food. However, chronic heartburn can lead to permanent and critical damage to the esophagus. The pain is enough to make you crazy. Baking soda is quite effective in neutralizing stomach acid and providing quick relief from acid reflux. All you need to do is dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in some cold water and drink the mixture slowly. Do not make the mistake of gulping it at once, as it can lead to a lot of froth in your stomach that will make you feel bloated. 2. Freshen breath and whiten teeth. Baking soda is a very effective tool for oral care. According to some studies, toothpaste containing baking soda is more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than the toothpaste without it. You don't need to ditch your current toothpaste to enjoy the benefits though. You can make it at home by taking a small amount of paste with baking soda and water. Dip that onto your toothbrush right in there before brushing. Baking soda also comes with strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that make it an efficient mouthwash too. Just put 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in half a glass of water and swish it around your mouth for a few seconds and spit it out just. The baking soda mouthwash is great for cleaning crevices between and around teeth that might be missed while brushing. Baking soda also comes with strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that make it an efficient mouthwash too. 3. Treat canker sores. The tiny little canker sores can cause a lot of pain and irritation for their size. They are simply tiny circular ulcers that form inside the mouth. They are not very critical and often occur due to overindulging in rich or spicy food. Canker sores normally heal within a few days but can be quite uncomfortable until they do. You can use the baking soda mouthwash if you are too bothered by a canker sore. Experts believe this can significantly lower the pain as well as speed healing. 4. Use as deodorant. Baking soda is an excellent agent for absorbing odors, which is why they are usually found in deodorants. Similarly, you can leave an open box of baking soda in your refrigerators or bathrooms to reduce odor. This works because of its antimicrobial properties. Human sweat is actually odorless. But when the bacteria on our skin begin to break down into acidic waste products, it starts to smell. Baking soda does not completely stop this particular process, but it makes the result significantly less acidic and therefore, less pungent. You can try patting some onto your armpits just like you would do with a deodorant. 5. Rock your workout. A lot of endurance athletes use baking soda quite often. Baking soda provides you with an extra boost of energy that allows you to perform at your peak for a longer period of time, especially during high-intensity training. Your muscle cells produce something called lactic acid during this type of exercise. Lactic acid is what causes you to experience a burning sensation while exercising hard as well as lowers the pH inside your cells, which causes the muscles to fatigue. Baking soda is rich in pH and it can compensate for the lactic acid produced, thus allowing you to keep you going longer. 6. Soothe itchy skin and sunburns. Even for most skin ailments, baking soda is a good treatment. It is very effective in reducing the chronic itchiness and irritation of bug bites and stings. A thick paste of baking soda and water needs to be applied to the affected areas. Itchy skin caused by sunburn can be treated with a baking soda bath. Just add 1 to 2 spoons of baking soda to a warm, not hot bath. You need to soak yourself in the bath for at least 30 minutes. This will make sure that the affected areas are completely covered. For better results, you even add cornstarch and oatmeal to the bath along with the baking soda. 7. Soften calluses. Calluses are hard, rough patches that form on your skin in areas that receive a consistent pressure or friction. For example, guitarists develop distinctive calluses on their hands. Calluses are also commonly formed on the feet because they are regularly under pressure. Calluses are not threatening, on the contrary, they are protective. But when they get unsightly or uncomfortable, you might want to soften or reduce them, and baking soda can help you with it. Soaking the affected areas in a baking soda bath can relieve the soreness of the calluses and soften it enough to shave off rough spots. Baking soda is probably one of the most adaptable ingredients in your kitchen that you can use for baking, health and beauty and cleaning purposes. The 7 benefits we have listed out is just the start of what you can do with baking soda. They are extremely cheap, so you can buy a couple of boxes to keep at your home. You can make sure you have them when you need to whiten your teeth, treat a canker sore, or soak away the aches of a long day. If you liked this video, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about healthy foods and natural remedies, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Stay healthy and fit. Thanks for watching this video.